Hello everyone, I wish to share my experience regarding the preparation that helped me get placed in my first attempt in Uday India. Thorough knowledge about our subjects in second year and third year is very essential, and this includes understanding all our fundamentals very well. I also attended all the training sessions that were organized by the Training and Placement Office. I never had to pay any fees since they were funded by TechWeb. The Training and Placement Office was also very helpful in clearing all our doubts regarding the placement process. The 4-year bond of Uday India was a major concern, but as we spoke to the placement officer and the training and placement coordinators, we came to know more about the company and we became very confident to give our best try for the recruitment. Later on, we also met the company's HR representatives as suggested by the placement officer to share all our concerns and get our doubts cleared. We got a chance to visit the company and it was a very good experience. It is a good company, very well located, and the market value of people who are trained in Uday India is quite good.
Facet Infrastructures is the fourth core company that I had applied for in the placement process. Coming from a family that is almost into civil and its allies, it was obvious about the career choice I would opt for. But before being placed in Capacit, I gave interviews in L&T, Jacobs and Pyramid, but wasn't successful in my attempts, as I was not fit for the profile that they offered, that is designer. Preparation from the root level is of great importance, is what I learned after these interviews. Capacit offered me a core side job. The GD topic that I was subjected to was Masters in India versus Masters in abroad. Having excelled the GD, I had to make sure my interview was at par with it. Questions posed to me were from survey, QSCV and construction management. My other interviewers quizzed me on structural topics like BMD, SFD and retaining walls, etc. The placement sessions proved quite fruitful as they helped me prepare my CV and also the HR interviews. The sessions were paid for by TechWeb and had a motivating gesture in improving our morale before the actual process began. The 4-day sessions twice in a year prepared us as what we can expect in the actual process. The TPO and the TPCs have helped us all to a great extent in securing this job.
Hello friends, in my placement procedure, I had appeared for L&T Engineering, L&T ECC and GS Engineering. There were aptitude rounds, GD and PI rounds. The training and placement sessions held by the college were really very helpful in preparing me for those rounds. Securing good placement is not possible just by scoring consistently high pointers. One should also be prepared with thorough technical concepts. In L&T Engineering, I realized that I need to improve my general aptitude skills. So I did go through the books and concepts that taught to us at training and placement sessions. These sessions were conducted free of cost under TechWeb. At L&T ECC, I cleared all the rounds and still couldn't meet their expectations. Again, I had to go through the technical concepts. GS Engineering had an engineering awareness, general awareness, numerical ability and English writing skills. In general awareness round, questions about current affairs were asked. Having a good knowledge of national and international current affairs from all the fields helps us in clearing this round. Writing skills is all about how you express your thoughts and ideas in a concise manner. GS, being a Korean company, panel comprised of company officials from the parent Korean company who had come from abroad for the placement procedure. For GD and PI rounds, the practice sessions held by TPO were really very helpful. I would thank the Training and Placement Department, the TPCs, teachers for the support, motivation and guiding me. Thank you and all the best.
Passion. Most of us are passionate. Even I have one, fought over well. Ready with the preparations since my second year, the 4th year began, and along with it, the placement process. Companies came by and my options got reduced. But I had decided to wait for an auto company. I skipped many good companies like Lodha, Uday India, L&T Constructions, HUL, Jacobs, Career Engineering, ACC Concrete, Alpha Laval and a few more. As the companies came and went by, pressure built up. In these times, I used to come and meet a placement officer and he always used to guide me and explain me. Don't wait, you never know what happens next. Take up the best available opportunity. He was always there for me, like my support, a person to whom I could go to in my times of anxiety. Also, during this time, all my TPC friends from all the 3 branches were very supportive and helpful to make me sit for every good placement opportunity that came by. But I preferred to wait. Finally, when first auto company came, Royal Enfield, my expectations built up. But the company had a requirement of only 1 person and unfortunately I couldn't make it. I was disappointed, but discussions with our placement officer made me understand a lot and helped me make up my mind to sit for Technic. I sat for Technic and I got placed. Today, I am happy for 2 reasons. First of all, my future is secured, and secondly, my automobile option is still open. At the end, I would like to thank God, my parents for having faith in me, our placement officer for spending hours sitting with me, explaining me to think about other opportunities, and all my TPC friends who waited with me till late evening to take a mock interview of mine, not knowing sure that yes, I was totally prepared. Really, you guys made me take a right decision at the right time. Only one thing I would like to say y'all is, prepare well, but never wait for just one company. Take the best option available and move ahead. Remember, this placement opportunity is your first opportunity and not the last one. The placement team is always there for you. All the best.
Hello friends, I want to share my placement experience with you all. After giving my first campus interview, I realized that in addition to the consistent academic performance, thorough and continuous preparation on technical subjects, aptitude tests and communication skills are also very essential. I wanted to be placed in core companies. I appeared for 4 to 5 core companies such as L&T Engineering, Uday India, Lodha and Eka Solution, but couldn't clear some technical tests and personal interviews. I cleared the aptitude test and technical interview of the Lodha, but couldn't get through the HR round. In Uday India, I cleared the technical interview. After that, I realized that the panel expected a thorough understanding of the subjects and application of the concepts. Also, I realized that for clearing the HR round, we should highlight our achievements. I revised the aptitude tests and technical knowledge taught in the training and placement preparation session conducted in the college under TechCube. The TPO and TPC supported me a lot throughout the placement procedure. Also, I realized that my friends who have started preparing for the placement since second year itself got placed in the first companies and the L&T Engineering and Uday. I wish you all the best.
Hello everyone, I am placed in Pyramid Engineering and Consultancy Services. Today I would like to share some of my personal experience with all of you. The whole placement process was an amazing journey. It feels that finally the real examination has started. Talking about preparations, you should be thorough with all your basics of all the subjects, right from that we study in the course of engineering. Preparing for the semester exam is something very different and placement is completely different. So you need to prepare well right from the beginning. Even having good grades and consistent performance is not enough for getting placed. It was my 10th attempt. The most important thing that you maintain is your confidence level and patience. The aptitude test was not so difficult. It contained all the basic questions from all subjects. As it was my 10th attempt, I realized that somewhere I was lacking in my confidence level. I was not able to answer confidently. The placement and training sessions conducted by the TPO proved me very helpful. It helped me writing my resume, helped me in my GDs and for clearing the aptitude. I would like to thank all the TPCs for the proper coordination and motivating me throughout the whole process. Best of luck.